What's in the box today?
Can you tell what today's sound will be? Introducing bird, skirt, stir. Did you get it? Yes, today's sound is Phonics, phonics, Mama T loves phonics. Welcome to Mama T's Phonics.
It's time to read.
Let's read the words. 30, girl, bird. Thirty. Girl. Girl. Bird. Wow, you've read 3 words and earned 3 stars.
It's time to sing.
Now let's sing the song, but first, let's practice making the sound. Use the video in the top corner to help you. Which of the words can you write? Bird, girl, skirt and stir. 30 is a number that's really big with an
It's time to say.
Let's practice finding the pictures. Now be careful. Only 2 of these pictures have the sound. See if you can find them before I do. Bird, sway, shirt, lie. Which ones have the sound? Time's up. Did you get it? Yes, bird and shirt both have the sound. Well done, you've earned 2 stars.
It's time to find.
Let's practice finding the sound. The girls have made a fun game for you. Try to find the words and pictures that have Turn, stir, fin, bird. Can you see any words? Scent, stir, dirt, but. Can you see words? Well done, you found 4 words. Let's try again. Which pictures have Stir, fin, dirt. Bird. Where are the pictures? Did you find them? Yes, bird, dirt and stir all have the sound. Wow! You have learned to say the sound, find the sound, read the sound, and sing the sound. With all this practicing, you're going to be an amazing reader. Well done! Be sure to check out more videos to keep practicing those phonics. If you would like to practice your phonics and letter sounds more at home, then visit my Etsy or Teachers Pay Teachers shop. Just look up Mama T Phonics. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up underneath the screen. Wait, before you go, subscribe to my videos.